Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to draft the perfect armhole for any size with essential armhole formulas. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you 4 different formulas you can use to achieve your armhole. So this straight line that I'm writing on is the shoulder line. In order to get a perfect armhole, you first of all draw out your shoulder line, and I'm going to take my neck width. I'm going to just take a basic neckline of 3 inches neck width and 3 inches neck depth. I will just connect it from the neck width down to the neck depth. I have a full tutorial on different kinds of neckline on this channel. I'll leave the link for you on the description box. Armhole is the opening in a garment where the sleeve is attached or where the arm passes through, and the size of the armhole depends on the design of the outfit you are trying to create. We have different types of armhole. The standard armhole, which is common in shirts, blouses, and dresses, while a deep armhole is used for loose fitting like tank top, and we also have armhole for sleeveless. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to draft all this armhole with different sizes. So now I have my shoulder line and I also have my neckline. So I'm going to impute the shoulder measurement. I will divide the shoulder measurement by 2. The shoulder measurement divided by 2 is 7.5 inches. So under the 7.5 inches, our shoulder is not straight, it's slanted. You either call it shoulder slope or shoulder slant. I'll come down by 1 inch to achieve that. Then I'll connect to that 1 inch from the neck width. Now that I have the shoulder slant, any measurement of the armhole will be from this shoulder slant, not from the shoulder, but this 1 inch shoulder slant. So the number 1 formula on my list is the armhole circumference divided by 2. So you place your tape around your armhole, then you use this armhole measurement divided by 2. So let's say your armhole circumference is 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2 will give us 7.5 inches. Now, if you want to use this formula, if you want to have a little bit of ease at the down part of your arm, you can add 0.5 inch ease to this, and 0.5 inch plus 7.5 will give us 8 inches. But if you want a blouse or an outfit that the armhole is tight, like sleeveless outfit, you minus 0.5 inch from your 7.5 inches. So it means 7.5 minus 0.5 will give us 7 inches. So the second formula here is the bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. So let's say the bust circumference is 36 inches. 36 inches divided by 6 will give me 6 inches. 6 inches plus 1.5 inches will give me 7.5 inches. So now if you use this formula, this is what how you're going to go about your measurement, and you can use that method of adding 0.5 inch or minusing 0.5 inch as you want. The third formula that can be used to get the armhole depth is the bust circumference divided by 4 minus 1.5 inches. So let's say the bust circumference is 36. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9 inches. 9 inches minus 1.5 inches will give me 8 inches. The fourth formula here is the shoulder divided by 2. So let's say the shoulder is 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2 will give me 7.5 inches. And this is the formula I use all the time. If you are used to my channel, you will know this is the formula I use. So you can either use this or any of the formulas I've given so far. So the next thing I'll do now is to share with you how to draft a perfect armhole. If you remember, I told you that the measurement will start from this shoulder slope and not from the shoulder line. So I'll place my tape now from the shoulder slope and impute the measurement. So I'm using this method of the shoulder divided by 2 plus 0.5 inch for ease. So I'll mark the 8 inches and I'll also place the tape across this way to make sure that 8 inches is straight. So after I've marked the 8 inches across also, then I'll connect from the shoulder slope down to this 8 inches. Now this is known as the armhole depth. Now under this armhole depth, I'll draw a straight line. This straight line under this armhole depth now will serve as the chest line. So today I'll be working mainly on the armhole. If you want to learn how to draft a full basic bodice, I have the link on the description. So everything about the armhole is going to be within this armhole depth and the chest line. So now the next thing I'll do, I'll look for the midpoint of this armhole depth. After I've marked the midpoint, the next thing I'm going to do is to create ease for the busts. You know, this side is where the bust is full, so there will be need for ease. The ease here now, it differs for different bust size. For the small, the extra small, the medium, large and extra large. Ease allowance here for small is 1 inch, then for medium is 0.75, for large is 0.5, then for extra large is 0.25. With the right ease allowance, you achieve a perfect armhole that suits any size. Now that I know the right ease allowance to take, and if you remember, my measurement I've been using is 36 inches. So 36 inches will give me medium is 0.75. So I'm going to go in by 0.75. Then on this chest line here, I will mark the bust measurement divided by 4. Now, just in case yours is 0.75 or 0.5 or 1 inch, what you're going to do is you're going to place the tape on this line. So your measurement is going to be from the line inwards. So for a bust 36, I decided to double check the measurement. It's supposed to be 0.75, so I marked the 0.75 properly so that I'll get the right armhole for bust 36. So now the next thing I'll do now is to connect from this shoulder slant down to this midpoint ease allowance, then from that midpoint ease allowance down to the chest line measurement. Now, if you notice the way I place my French curve, you make sure you place yours that way and you maintain the curve from the shoulder slant down to the chest line. Don't change the curve, if not, you will not get a nice curve for your armhole. So this is where my chest line measurement stop, and that is where my armhole stop. And for the back armhole, you just connect from this midpoint down to the chest line measurement, creating a curve. So this is basically all on how to draft your armhole for any size. If you apply everything I've shown you on this work, you achieve this perfect armhole for any size, either for a big bust or for a small bust or for any size. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you in my next video.